So dreams are affected by your day-to-day experiences. The current consensus is that we actually take new experiences and integrate them into old memories during sleep. So that's why you might have quite recent experiences and some very old experiences all mangled together into one crazy story. Freud's theories on dreams are very interesting, although I would take them all with a pinch of salt. I don't see personally why the I in the dream should be anyone but yourself, but it is interesting to consider that everyone else in your dream is you, because in a way you can't really know what other people think or will act or how they will behave, so you have to project yourself onto other people to be able to dream about them. So in a way, everyone and everything in your dream is you. This is actually really interesting. I've looked into this, and it seems to be a very common experience that people cannot switch lights on and off in dreams. And there isn't really an explanation for this, although it might have something to do with the lack of rationality that we experience during dreams. And this is because part of the brain is shut down that normally deals with logical thought. So you actually can't do mathematical equations in your dreams, or make any kind of complicated conclusions. So maybe switching a light on or off is too complicated for your brain to process. So if you look in the mirror, you won't be able to see a proper reflection of yourself. You tend to see more of a ghoul-like image. And if you look at your hand, you won't be able to count your fingers. There's many little things like this which lucid dreamers or hobby lucid dreamers use to test whether they're dreaming. So they'll try to see if they can do a certain thing, or even read. You can't read in a dream, it's impossible. So all these things will show you that you're dreaming, and then you can enter a lucid dream. It's a state in between sleep and wake, where parts of the brain that are normally suppressed are slightly more active. So lucid dream is a dream in which you know you are dreaming. And although we don't know why they naturally occur and whether they have any kind of advantage, you can actually train yourself to experience a lucid dream by so-called reality checks. So you just repeat a behavior while you're awake, like pinching yourself is a common one, or counting your fingers. And then you attempt to do that in your dream, hopefully, just because you've been doing it so often. And if you notice that you don't feel the pain when you pinch yourself, or you can't count your fingers, then you have a chance of realizing you're awake, you're dreaming, and then changing aspects of the dream. So ideally, you'd be able to control the content of the dream. And the more you do this, the better you get at it.